Hello, darkness, my old friend.
You guys just witness
I've come to talk
what
with
happens
you
all the freaking time. Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. In today's video we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing, and this is for the month August. Holy moly. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. Holy moly. So I usually do an unboxing or I do like a try on, but since my Boxycharm arrived when I already had my face on, I was like, you know what, let's go through the box together. Let's see what's in here. So this is for the month August. Everyone had probably already opened their box, but I know you guys still want to see, you know, other people. Not everyone has the same box, so I know you guys are like, what did Jade get? Let me tell you. Open up the box. Boxycharm. Open it. I got the lashes. Hell yeah. Okay, so here is the box. Inside has the goodies right here. First thing I see is delicious. So it's either we could receive lashes or what was the other item? I'm not sure, but I know we could have received the lashes. So here are the House of, oh, those are pretty. The House of Lashes in Featherette. These range from like $9 to $12. I feel like you can never go wrong with some lashes. Next item in here is the Age Defying Nail Treatment Essentials Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil, and this one is from Adesse. Pendeja. Edens. I have a hard time pronouncing a lot of things. I'm not gonna even try to bull. Every time I look at it, it makes me think AdSense. I don't know why. And this one goes for $18. You can never go wrong with cuticle oil. So there is the cuticle oil. I'm glad I got this one instead of the other one. I already have that one. I was like, you know, if I get it, I'm gonna have a backup, but I'm glad I went to try another one because it's just good to try different things. And I love using cuticle oil. I love for my cuticles to look nice. Bring it down. Sometimes I'm ashy, so I just bring it down and I just work it in my cuticles. Cuticles are very important to me because I feel like when you're showing off your nails or when I'm doing tutorials and I'm like pointing to something, I want to make sure that my cuticles look nice and not all crusty. I use cuticle oil every night, and I think that's what helps my nails grow too, because I'm constantly pushing back my cuticle. And when I was younger, my grandma would always push back my cuticles so that they could breathe and my nail would grow. So I just put the cuticle oil on and boom, ready to go. So the next item is Bang Beauty. Ooh, and it's a gel eyeliner. This one goes for $22, but it doesn't say like the name of it, like, oh, you know how usually they have like cute, oh, chocolate. Chocolate. This is the Sedona Lace eyeliner brush. We got this in our Boxycharm a while back. Hey, that's pretty pigmented. And I like that I got chocolate because even though it says gel eyeliner, you don't necessarily have to just use something just for one area on your face. Like if it says like gel eyeliner, use it for your eyebrows. Use it as a lip liner. Do what you want. Use it as an eyeshadow base. You know what I mean? There it is swatched. So that's pretty neat, and I like that it's pretty big. So I like that. Yeah. Next item in here, I see it is Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte. And this one is XO Valda. I love her. Woo! And I love that we got the metallic. Hell yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. So if you guys have never tried Smashbox, boom, we got one. So there's a doe foot applicator. Freaking love it. And there is the swatch. I want to see how it would look on my lips. I'm already wearing brown. Ooh. Okay. That is pretty. Ooh. Gorgeous. And it doesn't look too like metallic-y. It just looks so freaking nice. Mira. I'm glad it worked out because if it didn't, it was gonna be a mess. Ooh. Next thing we got is the Wander Beauty, and this is a Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. These ones go for $13, and we did receive 3 of them, which is freaking awesome. One for you, one for your babe, one for your bestie, one for your sister, one for your brother, your mother, your grandma. Spread the love. So that's pretty cool. I love skincare, you guys. Skincare. Yes, so I'm so glad we got this. Last month we got the mascara, so that's so cool to see them in the box again. Okay, and the last item is the LauraLee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. This one goes for $19, and it is these pretty colors right here. Oh yeah. Like how Noah says, Noah is doing this new thing where he's like, oh yeah, like that. I don't know how he does it, but he's like talking to he talks on the side of his mouth. So here is the outside, and then you flip it open, and here is the inside. This blue karaoke, calling my name, definitely stained my hands. Man, boom, high five. So pretty though. Look. Oh, spirit fingers. And here are the swatches. So that's pretty cool. I like that we got a really colorful palette because I like how they switch it up. I like how we get sometimes like a neutral palette, we get a colorful palette. So for those who like to play with color, boom, we got it in our Boxycharm, which is pretty cool. So that is everything in my Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up, girl. Please, helps me out a lot. Please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to keep updating my videos. And if you guys are interested in getting your own Boxycharm, if you guys would like to sign up, I do have my own special link down below. I do receive commission if you do use it, but you do not have to use it. But if you do, thank you so much. It's a super and easy way to build your makeup collection and try out other products that, you know, can stretch your $21. So yeah. And let me know if you guys got something different in your Boxycharm, because I know we don't always get the same thing. Let me know what lip shade you got. And if you don't like the color, you don't always have to use the lip color on your lips. You can use it on your eye. So if you're like, I don't really mess with metallic lips, use it on your eye. Whew, so pretty. You can't go wrong with a metallic eye. You really can't. So just pop, 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 boom, and then blend it. Nice. Ooh, done. Ooh, yes. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys got something different. You got a different pair of eyelashes, lip color, a different gel eyeliner. Just let me know. Let your girl know. Okay? I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.